Yeah, so we just got the good old ZD30, the early non-common rail model with that lovely Bosch pump in it. Trent's just finished doing a bit of tuning with the DP chip on this system and obviously gotten a very good gain. What do you say, probably about 30% torque gain?
Yeah, 30-35%.
Sounds good. We'll take a little look up in the engine bay. Here it is here. It's pretty much done and dusted, so tidy a few things up. It's had a few mods, obviously a leaking intercooler and a few things before. Get everything back in order and tidied up. And this will be another ZD30 set to go. Obviously look after it, that is the key, and this one's really been looked after and obviously going to last for a pretty long time. With the DP chip in there giving you that more torque, well obviously that'll end up equating to easier to drive, towing, and a lot more enjoyable on the road. You can see more of these videos if you keep watching our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or look us up at berrimadiesel.com where you can find out more about looking after your diesel.